Sometimes the most heroic thing a cell can do is die. Welcome to the fascinating world of apoptosis, programmed cell death, where sacrifice keeps the body alive and thriving. Unlike messy, uncontrolled cell death, like necrosis, apoptosis is a clean, precise, and highly regulated process. It's not an accident. It's more like a self-destruct mission coded into our very DNA. Apoptosis shapes your fingers in the womb. It eliminates potentially cancerous cells. It removes infected cells during immune responses. In short, apoptosis is cellular altruism. Apoptosis can be triggered by two main pathways: extrinsic, where external signals bind to death receptors on the cell's surface, or intrinsic, where internal stress like DNA damage tells the mitochondria, it's time. This molecule activates Caspases, enzymes that start dismantling the cell from the inside out. The cytoskeleton breaks down, DNA gets chopped, the cell shrinks and forms neat little packages called apoptotic bodies. Then nearby immune cells quietly clean up the debris. No inflammation, no fuss. Apoptosis isn't just cellular suicide, it's population control. Without it, we'd face unchecked cell growth. And that's the recipe for cancer. In fact, many cancers disable apoptotic pathways to become immortal. Scientists are developing treatments that reactivate apoptosis in tumor cells, basically convincing them to self-destruct. So next time you hear about a cell dying, don't feel bad. It might just be saving your life. Want to know how your body detects trouble when cells are dying or inflammation strikes? Check out our video on C-reactive protein, your body's alarm system, and see how your immune system sounds the alert. Like, subscribe, and keep exploring the microscopic battles that keep you healthy.